Giethoorn, the Venice of the North. Hello everyone. No one can forsake the simplicity of village life. Likewise, no one can deny the natural admiration of nature's beauty. The way this world is created and the evolution that has shaped our beautiful planet is truly mesmerizing. It is humans' natural attraction towards nature that catches the attention of the modern corporate and technology savvy individual towards the beauty of nature. Each year, millions of people visit these serene areas to get closer to nature and relieve themselves of the stressful routines of life. These areas, although remote from the hustle and facilities of a metropolitan city, reside in a supply of natural calm for the people. In this video, we are going to visit the mesmerizing beauty of nature. We are going to travel to Geithoorn, Netherlands. This peaceful and car-free village of spectacular beauty is a real striking sight. This video covers some brief facts about this unique beauty of nature. This video is a part of a brand new series by the Media Geek, our Mesmerizing Nature series, a series of such serene beauties of nature, which not only contains some spectacular beauties, but are also peaceful neighborhoods to live in. So, let's start. Geithoorn is a peaceful village in the Netherlands. The tranquility and spectacular beauty of this village are almost dream-like. It is situated in the northeastern Dutch province of Overijssel. It is located in the municipality of the Steenwijkerland, about 5 kilometers southwest of Steenwijk. This village is surrounded by natural parks and countless trees from all sides. That is why Geithoorn is considered one of the lush green areas of the country. Geithoorn is listed in the top 10 attractive tourist sites in the Netherlands. Let's dive into the history of Geithoorn. Research tracks the history of Geithoorn to the 13th century, when it was seemingly settled first. The story behind Geithoorn's name revolves around the idea of some former settlers who discovered the haunts of wild goats in this area. These goats presumably died during the flood of 1170. Hence, this area was given the name Geithoorn or Giethoorn, which was eventually transformed into Geithoorn. Car-free zone. The most amazing fact about this village is its status as a car-free village. Instead of using automobiles, people use boats as a means of transportation. Because this village is surrounded by canals. Binnenpad. Binnenpad is a stretch of the canal a particularly stunning area to take the special view of the bridges and houses. So, the visitors usually prefer to visit early in the morning before 6 am when there are no boats in the canals and no hustle in the village. It is standing beside Binan Path, where one can actually feel and capture the serenity of Giethoorn, Venice of the North. Geithoorn is also called the Venice of Holland because of its similarities with the Venice of Italy. Geithoorn is also nicknamed as Village of No Roads, Venice of the North, and Dutch Venice. Means of transportation. As the village is a car-free area with no roads, people usually sail around, walk, or cycle to transport themselves. The visitors and residents park their cars outside the village at the designated areas, called the special car parks. The cycling or walking path is called Binan Path. According to the statistics of 2020, this village has a population of 2,795 people. The Hamlet. Geithoorn is a collection of small peat islands connected by wooden bridges, also known as hamlet. Another unique fact about this village is the construction of houses. The location of houses contains a speciality in them, in the sense that there are no roads connecting them. Instead, they are surrounded by water channels or canals. Hence, they give a look at houses situated on the small islands. The houses or farmhouses on these islands were constructed in the 18th and 19th centuries. There are approximately 176 small wooden bridges that are constructed to join the islands where the houses are constructed. These wooden bridges ultimately join the village or the cluster of islands. Whisper boards. The villagers and tourists use boards with noiseless electric engines, also known as whisper boards. These boards add to the tranquility and peace of this masterpiece of the Dutch countryside. Family trees. Each house in Geithoorn has a large tree above the front door of the house. Surprisingly, the size of the tree depends on the size of the family. For example, the largest family in the village is Smith family, which has the largest tree in the village. Strange, right? Well, you are in Geithoorn. Traditional thatched roof homes. Another unique feature of Geithoorn is the thatched roofs of its houses, plus the perfectly manicured gardens. Thatched roofs helps the residents to condition their homes naturally by getting safe from the harshness of the weather. Planning a trip there. Each year, almost 1 million people visit Geithoorn, which makes it a popular tourist destination. Geithoorn is a popular tourist site with a strong craving for nature-savvy people. to visit this place. Let us give you a brief guide to this fantastic site. This village is located in the northwestern part of the Netherlands. It is located at approximately 85 minutes drive from Amsterdam, the capital of the country. Perfect times to visit. Like any other tourist spot, the perfect time to visit Geithoorn is when there is a little crowd and hustle. That is why the months of April, May, June, and September are the best parts of the year. You must visit during weekdays because you can imagine the weekend hustle. Furthermore, you must visit before 6 a.m. and take photos. Stay till 6 p.m. when the crowd starts to disperse. In this case, you can have a night stay with your parents, friends, or spouse in the local bed and breakfast hotels. Geithoorn is a well-known tourist destination, not just in the Netherlands, but far beyond the borders. So, these were some amazing facts about the village of Geithoorn. It would not be wrong to call this place the most beautiful and fairy tale village. Summarizing the scenic beauty and sophistication of Geithoorn, one can quote the famous saying, that is, God made the earth and Dutch made Holland out of it. If you like this video, support us by hitting a like and subscribe button. Share this video with your travel savvy friends. Thanks for watching.